Hello everyone! Have you ever washed a new piece of clothing only to pull it out and find it has mysteriously gotten smaller? It's a frustrating laundry problem we've all faced. Today, we're going to investigate two very common fabrics, rayon and nylon. The big question is, do they shrink? The answer is different for each one, so let's get right into the details to save your clothes from a laundry disaster. First, we need to talk about rayon. The short and simple answer is yes, rayon absolutely shrinks. In fact, it's one of the fabrics most likely to shrink in your laundry. Rayon is considered a semi-synthetic fiber. It's made from natural materials, like wood pulp, but it goes through a chemical process. Because of its natural base, rayon fibers love to absorb water. When you wash a rayon garment, especially in warm or hot water, the fibers soak up the moisture and swell. Then, as they dry, they can constrict and get shorter, leading to that dreaded shrinking. The tumbling and spinning in a washing machine can make the problem even worse. To protect your rayon clothes, you must read the care label. It will almost always recommend hand washing in cold water or using the gentlest cycle on your machine. The most important rule is to avoid the dryer's high heat. Heat is rayon's biggest enemy. It's always best to let it air dry, either by laying it flat on a towel or putting it on a hanger. Now, let's shift our focus to nylon. Does nylon shrink? For the most part, no, nylon is very resistant to shrinking. Nylon is a fully synthetic fabric. It's essentially a type of plastic derived from petroleum. Its fibers are strong and they do not absorb water. This means when you wash nylon, the fibers won't swell and then shrink as they dry, unlike rayon. You can usually wash nylon in warm water without any issues. However, there is one major weakness. Nylon is very sensitive to high heat. If you expose it to very hot water or put it in a hot dryer, the plastic fibers can actually begin to melt and warp. This can cause a type of permanent shrinking or distortion that ruins the garment's shape and feel. The key to caring for nylon is to avoid high temperatures. Wash it in cool or warm water and use a low heat setting on your dryer, or just let it air dry, which it does very quickly. So, to summarize, rayon shrinks easily with water and heat, while nylon resists water-based shrinking but can be damaged by high heat. I hope this clears up any confusion and helps you take better care of your wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. To get more simple tips on fabric care and other useful topics, please consider subscribing to support the channel. It really helps us out. We'll see you in the next video.